All right, so this is Colton, and this is my assignment for artificial intelligence for Professor Zsiros, and just wanted to kind of share my opinion of artificial intelligence, or what my idea of it is. So, according to my understanding, artificial intelligence is like a system that's programmed to basically solve problems, and it's not like your typical machine, like a robot that works in a manufacturing facility that is just programmed to do one thing and then repeatedly does that over and over. But what's cool about artificial intelligence is it's like a system or a machine that not only solves problems and like distributes those problems, but it also is able to adapt to its surroundings and like understand. It has like an understanding of its own, is kind of what it seems like. It makes me think of, like, I don't know why, but it makes me think of the movie I, Robot with Will Smith, where like the robots are like learning from humans and like learning to be more like them, and then eventually, it seems they become like more intelligent than humans almost. And obviously that idea is kind of far-fetched and way out in the future, but it's kind of the idea, is that it's like a robot that is able to learn from its surroundings. So in Understanding Technology, page 411, it says, machines can have physical forms, sensors, actuators, means of communication, information, processing abilities, and environments that are totally unlike those of what we experience. This makes the concept of machine intelligence particularly difficult to get a handle on. So that's what makes them not only able to just solve problems, but to be aware of their surroundings. Because of all those sensors and things like that, they can not only, like some of the videos that we've watched in class, they can understand what's being said, and they can solve problems and answer, provide solutions, things like that. And they're also able to adapt to surroundings and also like interact with us as humans, like in the interview that we watched, how the AI, robot, or whatever you want to call it, was able to basically have a conversation. Obviously not fully functional and able to do everything, but I would say that this is the closest, human-like robot or system that we've created. And with that, the artificial intelligence, that technology is just so rapidly progressing. It seems like every year there's just something that's unbelievable, but then a year passes and it's already old news because there's a new technology that's released or something like that. So yeah, I just think it's really cool. It is something that's really fun to learn about, and that interests me a lot. To think that there's something out there that's not, made by some superior being, but more by the hands of, just people, that is able to, in a way, function how we function, learning and becoming something that solves problems and things like that. And so, yeah. And so for my sources for this, my only source was just the Understanding Intelligence chapter of Understanding Technology, our textbook. So yeah, hope that's what you wanted. Thanks.